Hey there! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it can help you generate text effortlessly for free. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome. Go to Search Bar. Then type chat.openai.com. Click Login. You can use your Google account to use this site. Click Continue with Google and choose for your Google account that you want to log in. Then you will transfer to this homepage. At the bottom left, you will find your Google account name. Click the three dots, then Settings, so you can change the theme based on your own taste. You can turn the whole site into the dark theme. And even a light theme, again, it's up to your taste. In generating a text, you type into the Send a Message bar anything you want the AI to generate. For example, you want to say sorry to someone, but you don't know what to say. Just type. Let's say, write a sorry letter for my mother. Just like that. And wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, it will generate the message that you want. Awesome, right? So all we need to do is to wait for the AI finish the generation process. After the generation process, you can now copy the whole text and use it. And to clear all the text that you generate completely, go back to Settings. And you can see there is a clear option, which is you can clear all of the text that you generate instantly by clicking the clear button and confirm deletion. That's it. Easy, right? I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on more awesome tech tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.